Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto News, your go-to channel for the latest crypto updates, price predictions, and market analysis. If you love staying ahead in the crypto world, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update. Today, we're talking about one of the strongest players in the altcoin space, Solana, SOL. Its recent price movement, market sentiment, and where experts think it's heading over the next 2 months. Let's dive straight in. In the past few weeks, Solana has shown some impressive strength despite the broader market fluctuations. After dropping near the $120 support zone earlier this month, SOL has managed to recover, trading steadily around the $145–$155 range. This price movement signals one major thing. Buyers are stepping back in and defending key levels, showing renewed investor confidence in the Solana ecosystem. Now, when we look at Solana's trading volume and daily active addresses, there's something interesting happening. Network activity is surging again, especially in DeFi and NFT transactions. Solana's low fees and fast transaction speeds are keeping it one of the most efficient chains in the entire crypto space. Let's take a quick look at the technical side. On the daily chart, Solana is forming a bullish ascending triangle pattern, which often signals an upside breakout when volume builds up. If the bulls can break through the resistance around 160–165s, we could easily see a move toward $180 in the short term, and possibly $200–210 if momentum continues. However, on the downside, traders are watching the $120 support as a critical level. If that breaks, we might see a short-term correction toward $100. But that could present a strong buy opportunity for long-term holders. So, what's driving Solana's recent momentum? First, network upgrades have made transactions even faster and more stable. Solana developers have been focused on improving scalability and minimizing downtime, something critics often brought up in the past. Second, the DeFi ecosystem on Solana is seeing renewed life. Projects like Jupiter, Marinade Finance, and Camino are drawing liquidity and creating real on-chain activity, not just speculation. Third, Solana's presence in the NFT and gaming space continues to expand. We're seeing more game developers and artists launch directly on Solana because of its speed and cost efficiency. And finally, institutional attention is quietly returning. Several funds have added SOL to their altcoin watch lists as part of diversified crypto portfolios, especially with Ethereum gas fees still high. Let's talk sentiment. Market analysts and on-chain data firms have pointed out that Solana's social dominance, that's how much the crypto community is talking about SOL, has increased by over 25% this month. That's often a sign of renewed retail interest. Meanwhile, some price prediction models suggest that by the end of the next 2 months, Solana could be trading between $190 and $230, assuming Bitcoin remains stable above the $60,000 mark. However, as always, markets can shift fast. Volatility is part of crypto, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Here's our forecast based on both technical and fundamental indicators. Base case, most likely. Solana trades between $160–200 through the next 2 months, holding steady as Bitcoin consolidates. Bullish case, if the crypto market heats up again and Solana breaks the $165 resistance, we could see a strong rally toward $220–250 by December. Bearish case, if macroeconomic conditions tighten or Bitcoin corrects sharply, Solana could temporarily dip to $110–120 before bouncing back toward the end of the year. Either way, Solana remains one of the most fundamentally solid altcoins heading into 2026, with strong dev activity, ecosystem growth, and user adoption backing it up. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think Solana's price will be in the next 2 months? Will it break $200, or will we see another dip before the next rally? Drop your predictions in the comments below and let's see who gets it right. And that wraps up today's Solana analysis and 2-month prediction. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto News, and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily crypto updates, analysis, and predictions. We post fresh videos every week covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, DeFi, and all major market trends, so stay tuned and stay informed. Until next time, this is Crypto News, reminding you, stay sharp, stay strategic, and keep your eyes on the blockchain.